something slightly different today. Sorry about the rain spots on the lens. I'm just going to go out with a Deus 2, switch the camera on and walk for 10-15 minutes. So you've got a POV of me detecting, no cuts, no editing, just walking using the General Plus program, what I made a video of the other week. So let's get going. Here we go then, best foot forward. Exactly the same settings as I was using on my previous video, the General 1 Plus or General Plus program. Set up the General program, clunky iron. Set up the General program, 2 tones, reactivity 1, sensitivity 97, I think, quite high. Square tones, audio response 6. And I've tweaked around with the graphic equalizer a little bit. But you can see all the settings on my previous video. As you can hear there, this is really stable. And I must add, it's a really quiet site as well. So this video is just really a POV, just to give you a feel for the Deus 2 and how it reacts. .61, little double bleeper there, so I don't think she's particularly deep. Look at that tiny little coin. I think it's quite a modern one, nothing exciting there. Oh well, good start. As always in stubble, wherever you're searching, always make sure, you know the score guys, make sure that's as good as you can get it. You got it, that's iron. What I'm going to do is just going to turn the volume up one more, just so you can hear it better. There's your iron again. Now because we're using a lower sweep speed, choppy, I think that's iron. Because we're using a lower sweep, because we're using a lower reactivity, in theory we should then sweep a little slower for the machine to catch up. And this is what I'm trying to discipline myself in doing. So I'm guessing something like this would be the optimum sweep speed. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But we can try that out if we get another target. We can sweep at different speeds. There's a target, 59. Right, slow sweep. Fast sweep. Very little difference, so That's interesting. And again, pinpointing, get the centre band across the target, gently move the coil backwards, and when the target disappears, it's under the nose of the coil just there. No, I've lost it again. There it is, look. It's round again. This time it's got a pip on the back, look, so yeah, it's a button. Nice little signal though. Target number 2. Apologies if the camera is wiggling around quite a lot. I haven't been strapped very well to my chest. Something very, very alien to me. So all you guys out there who've got your Deus 2s, feel free to comment below and give me your Deus 2 thoughts, you know. What are you thinking of it? Do you like it? Would you like some changes? It's all interesting feedback. Now at some point I will adjust these tones. Do you know what, I'm going to do them now just quickly. I like the higher tones, so if we go expert tones, expert, second tone is 518. Don't want that. I want a nice high squeaky tone. 835 is good enough for today. Right. Now this should sound a little bit sweeter. As you probably know, with my sonar program on the Deus 1, it's a nice high tone. And I think as we get older, maybe we prefer the higher tones to the lower tones. I don't know, but I find some machines I prefer the low tones on them. Others I prefer the high, and the Deus is one I prefer the high on. That's better, isn't it, with that high tone? 63. Oh, come on. Right at the bottom of the hole, is that something there? No. Wishful thinking. Watch, I'll get into gold. Okay, let's get this out wider space. Oh, I bet you that camera's bobbing about everywhere. Pants. Okay, here we go. There it is, look. We're out. Oh, that was a big button, guys, wasn't it? Size of that. Thought it was a coin for a minute. No, we got the pip on the back, but I guess 9 inches down, something like that. Perfect. Here we go again. So if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll try and make things as interesting as possible for you. It's not all about the finds, it's about the technical on my channel. And also we've got the XP official YouTube channel, and you can sign up there for the XP newsletter. And of course our Facebook groups, XP Adventures and the Metal Detector Skills School. Come over and say hi. We don't have any bad manners or bad mouthing over there. It's a very friendly group. Iron. Just out of interest down there, my mineralization bar, absolutely nothing, really dead ground. The odd bit of iron as you've heard. And there's my phone. But I'm trying to make this live, so I'm not going to answer it. Shut up, go away. Okay, no, iron again. I do like that higher tone though, it seems to give me a nice fuzzy feeling inside. Because obviously normally when we're doing videos we dig loads of crap on film, but we don't actually put it on film because it just make the video so flipping boring. Iron. So I try and condense it all down to about 8-10 minutes if possible, just to show you the best bits really. But I get it, some people like to see the digging everything, and this is what this video is about. Personally, it's not really my style of video, but I've had a few people ask me to do this, so why not? Let us know if you think it's good. Let us know if you think it's crap. I know what when I say. Iron clipping. That's what we mean with when we say clipping. Stuttering sound on the audio. 04 on the screen, iron again. $50. Don't very often get a 50 come up, it's normally around the 60s and stuff. Well, I can't see. What would we do without pinpoint probes? There's another one, look. Another little button. Oh. Oh well, happy days. Well, that's it, guys. Didn't that make a difference turning that audio tone up? I'm going to stick with that one. So that's it. We had a few bits and pieces. It went really quickly, actually. Probably not for you guys watching. But that just gives you an idea of what the Deus is like. Very, very well behaved. Nice, sweet signal. Gives a good call on iron. The General Plus program. My own tweaks. So if you want to see what tweaks they are, I'll post the video up below. But until then, guys, thanks for watching. Although I doubt very few of you still are. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.